It's 1800s.
Really?
For sure.
Cool.
I mean, it has to be. They would have stopped using these by the 1900s for sure. And that's when most of the barns were built. I wonder, here's where we might need a little more room. So this is my center line because we're gonna want that right in the center. So I'm just marking my holes. So if I just go like this way that thread will just go right into the, otherwise it'll drift. Now you should be able to slide this. Yeah. No, and now the way this works, it's all, you got it backwards. Hold on a second. You're gonna have to hop up here, so we might have to so it hooks on up here. It only works in forward, and so we drop that in. We drop that into the hole. It's gonna find itself, and then we start drilling forward. You hop up here and sit on it, and then when you're done, this slides in and then it engages. You keep going forward, but that pulls it out. And let's see, we want to just make sure how deep we want to go here. So we want to go 5.5 inches deep. It's more right over here. It's pretty close to all the way through. So that's how you're going to know when to stop.
All right.
Now it hooks up here, and then you could do your second hole and just make sure the gear, you only engage the gear to pull it out, and you keep
pulling it out. That's push it down.
Well, it pulls itself in, yeah. And then when you get to the bottom and engage this with this, keep going forward, and it pulls it out. So that's spring. I like to use the 2-inch chisel for this. All right, so it's kind of the same thing until you sever the end grain. You can't make this cut. Normally, I like the holes to kind of almost connect, but we didn't really have the spacing. So, but dig out those centers, you can really drive the chisel in there.